Splendor.
Yes, with the beautiful Pacific Ocean in the background, and somewhere out there is the coast of Mexico.
Yes, we're going to be going by Cabos, I think, shortly.
So we're sailing back to the port of Long Beach today. It's a sea day. The next 2 days are sea days.
Yes, so this is the first sea day of 2. And we're going to head to Sea Day Brunch.
Yes, which if you've never tried it, next Carnival ship you're on, try it. It's really good.
It is. It's great.
And then we're not really sure what we're going to do the rest of the day. If we're going to hang out by the pool or go play trivia or
try to win a medal since there's no more ships on the stick. Hopefully we'll get lucky.
Ship on a stick. It is a little bit cool this morning.
Yeah.
You can tell that we've left like the southern latitudes and are headed back north. A little cloudy.
Breezy because my hair is flying all over the place.
Yeah, it is a little bit breezy. So we're going to go eat breakfast.
Bradford's starving.
I'm starving. And we will check back with you later in the day, whatever we do, whether it's swimming or...
Right.
Hopefully the pool is not quite as crowded today.
I think it might be though.
The pools have been super crowded, so but we'll check back with you shortly.
Yes. Bye.
This is the Golden Pearl.
Yeah, they look like fried eggs.
Golden Pearl restaurant. This is where we eat dinner at night too, and they're supposed to be. I think these are supposed to be like oysters with pearls in them. But they kind of look like fried eggs.
Fried eggs on the ceiling in the dining room. Donuts on the door. The
Pink donuts.
Doors.
Pink donuts everywhere.
It's definitely. It's got its own style.
We'll have to go see if in the Black Pearl there's black pearls on the ceiling.
Yeah, that'll be interesting.
Every time I hear Black Pearl, I think of Pirates of the Caribbean.
I am ready. Yo ho, a pirate's like burning. Yo ho, a pirate's like burning.
We're going to the pool now.
Huh? Yes.
Yeah, we're going to the pool. Hopefully.
Yeah.
It's really windy out, and it was funny because we went back to the pool to find out if there was any open lounge chairs. You can hear the closet door like going back and forth because the ship's rocking a little bit. See if there's any chairs because it's been really hard to find lounge chairs by the pool, and there's plenty of chairs today, and not a single soul
In the pool.
is actually in the pool. Because the water's warm in the pool, but it's chilly out. It's only 71 degrees out,
Right.
And it's windy. So if you go in the pool, it's going to be nice. But I can imagine once you get out of the pool, it's going to be freezing. Not bringing this camera out by the pool,
Nope.
but I'm going to bring the GoPro in the event that we actually do get into the water. Right.
I'm pool ready.
She's pool ready. So we'll maybe see you guys out by the pool.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Depends. It's probably going to be really windy.
Bye.
Bye.
We're going to tea time.
Yay, my
Right
first
now.
tea time.
We hung out by the pool. You've probably already seen the ice carving. That was pretty cool. I filmed a little bit. That was with the GoPro. So we hung out and they closed the roof.
The roof. Yeah, it closed.
They closed. They closed the roof because it was getting really windy, and I was just out on the balcony.
Right.
It is
freezing.
It is cold outside. I wouldn't say it's freezing, but
It's cold.
it's chilly.
I've got a jean jacket on.
In the 60s, probably right now, the high 60s outside. So as we head north back to Long Beach. So we're gonna go to tea time. You know, when in England, act like the British.
Le Piquete.
So
Try that out and see what.
I'll film it.
And then maybe we'll go shop or poke our nose into the shops and see what's going on.
All right, see if we can spend money.
Yeah, of course.
All right.
Bye. We'll see you after or during tea time.
Bye.
Number 6. Which Ironborn heir captures Winterfell while Robb Stark is fighting the Lannisters? Which Ironborn heir captures Winterfell while Robb Stark is fighting the Lannisters?
Lucy, I'm home. We're going to the show, to the Epic. It's called Epic Rock.
Cool.
So we skipped dinner, and that's where we're going.
Cool.
I don't think they're gonna let me film inside of it, but I'm gonna try.
Okay.
So anyway, we'll see you after the show. We'll let you know how it was. Adios. Bye. I'm out of breath.
Bye.
How are we doing tonight? We good? Are you ready to have
Escape from reality.
It's
Hey!
we're orange. We're like Oompa Loompas.
It's the lighting here. We just got done with. We just got back from the show, the Epic Rock show.
It was great.
It was. It was
It was
really good.
Their rendition of Bohemian Rhapsody was very good.
Probably if you're seeing this, you've already seen little snippets of it because I'm gonna put. I almost taped the entire show. Now we're going to the.
Whatever we're going to, we're not
I
sure.
think we're
yet.
going to the casino.
Maybe we'll go do something else.
Maybe
Comedy.
or the piano bar.
Or piano bar. Yep.
Or the piano bar. So maybe I'll drag the camera along with me.
All right, guys. See ya.
Adios.
Bye. Ever party hard and get in so late that you crash? Well, that was us last night.
We did stay out late, so it's actually the next day. I know you're watching the end of day 6.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, day 6. So, but it's the next morning because we did get in late last night.
Late for us.
Yeah.
After
It
midnight.
was after midnight, so we spent time at the piano bar, and it was a busy day. We did a lot of stuff.
Yeah, we went to the show, went to the piano bar. I went to the casino. Bradford,
I went to
obviously
the
you
80s
saw.
rock and glow party, as you saw during the day. We hung out by the pool, did a little shopping.
Went to tea time.
Went to tea time, where the food was quite bland.
I liked it.
Yeah, so it was a super busy day, but we had a lot of fun.
Yes, we had a lot of fun, and it was a long day.
So, yeah, therefore we did not record the night of.
Yes.
We recorded the next day. If you're confused by now, so am I.
Well, that all being said, we had a great day 6.
Yeah, great Sea Day. Stay tuned for the next video, which when we open it up, we'll be wearing the exact
same
thing.
things.
So, until then,
Thanks for watching day 6.
Yeah.
Like, subscribe, share,
hit the bell.
hit the bell for notifications. We want to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark as soon as we can.
Yeah. And then we're going to give away a Ferrari. I told
You know, we're
already.
not giving away a Ferrari.
Small one.
No.
Small one.
But we do have a giveaway scheduled for that. So.
We do. So, when we get to 1,000 subscribers.
Yes.
So until then, we're going to wrap up day 6 on day 7. And stay tuned for day 7.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Kimberly.
I'm Brad.
And we are Midlife Crazy.
Bye.
Bye.